Okay.
Livy, what's this?
Banana.
Banana, yes. Livy, what's this? What's this? Car, yes. What is that, Liv? Zebra, yes. Zebra. Livy, what's this? What's this? What's this, Liv? What's this? Liv, what's this? What's this? What's in here? Who's that? Octopus! Yeah, octopus. Livy, look what Mommy found. Who's that? Who's that? The monkey, correct. What about this? Who's this? What? Uh-oh, Liv, who's this one? Who's that? Who's this, Liv? Liv? Olivia, who's this? Smart girl.
This is that trunk.
Livy, what is this? You know what this is. Livy, you know what this is? What's that? Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Yeah. Yo-yo. Oh, hello, yo-yo.
So smart.
Yo-yo. What's this? Bunny. Say bunny. Bunny. Okay. Bunny.
Do you know more?
What did you eat today for lunch? Strawberry. Strawberry.